actually the same exhaust that I currently run on my Time Attack FRS, so I may be a little bit biased. Well, actually that's not true. It's not exactly the same. This has been redesigned specifically for the 22 GR86 and BRZ, so the dimensions are a little bit different, but it's still 2.5-inch piping all the way through and ends in a massive 4.5-inch slant cut tip. Single exit exhaust, which personally I love the look of, but that's completely subjective. It's available in either a polished stainless steel tip muffler section or a burnt titanium tip muffler section. The mid pipe on both versions is the same. It's 304 stainless steel, and it is a bit on the louder side. It's a single exit exhaust. The muffler is a little bit smaller, so that's to be expected, but it has a really nice deep growl to it that is just enjoyable to listen to, and it just puts a smile on your face. And another thing that I love about this exhaust is how much weight it saves. If you go with the titanium version, it only weighs 14.6 pounds, so you're saving over 20 pounds. And even if you go with the stainless steel version, that still only weighs 18.2 pounds, so you're still saving about 17 pounds. So either version you go with, you're shedding about 50 to 60% of the weight from that stock exhaust, which is huge. And then when you look at how much this exhaust costs, you can get the titanium version for $795 and the stainless steel version for $595. That's absolutely crazy. Exhausts nowadays are usually $1,000 or more, so this is a hell of a deal. If you're looking for something that's under $1,000, you like that single exit look, you want to shed the weight, and you like an exhaust that's a little bit on the louder side, this checks all of the boxes, and it's exactly why I run this on my car. You get a really aggressive sound, you get some nice pops and crackles on downshifts that just is so fun to listen to, and it's a great looking exhaust. So if you guys want to pick one of these up for yourself, the link is down in the description. Let me know in the comment section down below which exhaust you want to see in the next video, and I'll see you guys next time.